I want you to do the same exercise we did at the end of this lesson, and I want you to create your own soft color palette. I want it to be a soft color palette, so something similar to what we have here. I want it to be for a high-end, elegant fashion brand, but I want it to be very soft colors. So go ahead and have fun create that base hue, create some shades and tints of that, and then create a second hue that you think would pair very well. And make sure you go over to color.adobe if you want to be able to find maybe something on the color wheel that will match that first hue when you're starting to create your second hue. So that'll be a very helpful website to helping you kind of explore the color wheel. And as you know, with color.adobe, you can check out the different color harmonies like triads, complementary, and of course the trusty monochromatic color scheme. So you can go ahead and explore that to help you with your project. So your project is to create a very subtle color palette, very low contrast, something for a high-end, elegant fashion brand, and something similar to kind of this style. You don't have to replicate those colors, but I want you to kind of go softer. And as a bonus, if you want to keep going with this, I want you to create a vibrant, super vibrant color palette for a children's clothing store. So we want it to be lots of bright hues and different variations of those hues to create a really nice, cohesive color palette. So have fun with those two different projects, and I look forward to seeing your colors. Of course, you can always find inspiration by putting together mood boards as well. You can even find certain colors from those photos. That's a whole nother option that we're going to talk about a little bit later as we explore projects and do branding type of work, where we create brand boards, mood boards to also help with color inspiration. So as you've seen, color is complicated. There's a psychology of color. There's a technical side of color with hues, tints, shades, and values, and tones, and all sorts of stuff. And there's also the inspiration of colors through photography and inspirational videos, and then just deriving color from life and all of that for branding. So you can see that color is not straightforward. There's a lot of different ways that you can derive color palettes, and I'm glad to be able to present you several of those in this class.